Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing slime. I'm doing slime for my sister. I have the big one. That's a weird color. And this other one, I have a small one and another, a big one. She has a medium one and then a little medium one. A little medium. Because then that would fit this. But this is like 1 times bigger.
So we're gonna start out
with the little one, with the little to biggest.
Yeah.
So is this one sticky? I don't know all for slimes. I haven't made any of these.
Yeah. I made this one that Timmy uses, and it was so sticky. But then I fixed it. Now I'm really into that kind of slime.
No, but she's obsessed.
Yeah, I am. I am just the first. These aren't really that stretchy. It's like spongy.
Watch this, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I can try it with a big slime. But I'll just make a huge bubble and just flop on. I don't know if we can do it with a little. Nope,
because these aren't really that stretchy. Okay. Let's go on with the big slime now.
Okay. We can just teach you how to make slime if you don't know how. This is how we do it. So first we do shaving cream, then we do glue.
That's out.
Yeah, this is out. And then whatever this is. What is this called?
Activator.
Yep, I cannot read. No, I can, but I cannot read tonight. And then sometimes Julia puts this, but do not, because it just ruins. It's fine. So now I do not have to take this out.
Yeah.
Is it sticky?
Yeah, kind of. Maybe for you.
Oh, jeez.
This is pretty sticky, but not that bad. This one's huge.
Look how huge it is.
Do the bubble that you were going to show.
What?
Do the bubble that you were going to do.
Oh yeah, I wanted to do that, but I'm trying to. I cannot get all this stuff off. I'm going to have to wash my hands after.
He doesn't really like to play with slime.
It's too sticky. Julia makes really sticky slime.
It's not sticky for him with the little slime.
Sometimes she does something to her slime to not make it sticky. And just make it not slimy or not sticky. She just makes it Play-Doh-ish, but not really. Like an upgrade of Play-Doh. The slime is technically an upgrade of Play-Doh, and slime is not supposed to be sticky. It's supposed to be slimy. That's what everyone says. Technically. I don't know if everyone says it, but a lot of people say it. Because it's slime, not sticky. If it was sticky, it would be called stickiness or something like that. Which would be called, I would call it the stick pod. Yeah, the stick pod. This slime is so sticky. I'm gonna show you guys a huge bubble. I don't think I can make a huge bubble, but Julia can.
Yeah. Well, kind of sometimes. Sometimes.
Nope.
Let me show you guys. Well, y'all pick some.
Yep. That was a mistake, not me.
This is really pretty sticky, actually. Not really sticky, I would say. No. So, this is my slime.
no.
Oh wow.
Oh, no. My hand's like stuck on it. Like I can't get it out. Oh no. Such a mess.
So, can I show you the bubble? Okay, here's my bubble. Ah, whoopsies.
Sure, they can't see yours.
Because it's, yeah.
Geez, Julie, now I have to stand up. You're like right in the middle.
Okay, well, I want to show you my bubble.
It's just because yours is littler than mine. This one's more wider and fatter. And taller, Julia. So just scoot over.
Sorry.
Just stretch it up like this.
To be honest, wait, no, this is not that. This is pretty sticky. It's not that sticky.
Julie, get in the camera. They can't see you.
What's these?
Whoa, I can hear the like pouring. It's pouring.
Yeah. Can you hear that, guys?
I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's just, jeez, did you hear that? It's massive.
Tell me.
There's, is it?
Man, that's a lot of man.
I'll be right back.
Oh man. So.
Jeez, it's pouring. It's like, gee, oh, Julia.
Oh my goodness.
Julia, why is that even there?
What? Oh, so like because it was right here.
So why did you take it out?
Because stuff.
It's irritating.
I'm gonna add some more like shaving cream. Okay, so shaving cream. Oopsies. Oh, this is the
Julia,
one.
look at that. This is the little bubble. No, it's like a little bubble. I don't think it's it.
Okay,
Sorry. I'm still trying to take all of this stuff out. So sticky. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna go. We'll just. This slime is so sticky. Your slime might be sticky, it might not. Hope you don't fail. And please don't get as obsessed with slime. We are trying to make video games like Fortnite, but I can't do that because we don't know how to do it. We're trying to.
please subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we want more. We don't even have 10 likes or subscribe in our 2 videos. And give us 10 subscribes and just 9. Give us 10 or more subscribes or and 11 or more likes. thumbs up. And thank you for watching our video. I hope you don't get obsessed with slime that much. And I hope you know how to make slime.
And please tell us how we can make videos of games like Fortnite and Call of Duty and stuff.
Julia might be in it. No, she would be in it. She will. She likes I think she likes Call of Duty. She hardly gets to play Fortnite because we only have like 3 devices. But thanks for watching our video. Hope you have a good rest of your day.